Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. It's been a while since I filmed my last video because after interviewing a ton, I got hired. It was so tough because I have no experience. Interview after interview I go on, I get the call back and say, oh, you know, your grades are great, but you have no experience, so we're going with somebody else. How do you expect me to get experience if you never hire me? I can't really think of too many more stressful things than going on an interview as becoming a professional interviewer. I've heard all the crazy questions, had some pretty weird interviews, but I still like makeup and making makeup videos. Today I'm going to do a fun look. Well, I think it was fun. You might think it's lame or boring, but I'm going to do it anyway. Just going to get things started with MAC Studio Fluid Foundation in NW10. And just put that all over my face. So just put a little on the back of my hand. A little goes a long way. You can see that. And then I just use my ring finger and I put it all over. I'm going to use a shadow primer from Elizabeth Mott called Thank Me Later and just pop that on my lids. Then I'm going to kick things off with the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. If you follow my Instagram, you saw my little video of how I had to fix this broken one. Came in the mail broken. If you don't follow my Instagram, go do it now. It's in the description box. It's okay, I'll wait. Moving on. So I took this blue shade here, Amp, and put it all over my lid on a Real Techniques Space Shadow brush. So I like this Urban Decay's new palette. The heavy metals, the colors are really pretty. The layout with the mirror in the middle and everything, I mean, functionally it's not my favorite layout, but it's still nice shadow. Then, taking Dive, that color right there, that blue one, on a crease brush. I literally have no idea the name of this one. Just run it through the crease. Then I took that shade there, Glamrock, through the ribbon. So I know I should probably be talking through everything that I'm doing, but I usually don't talk when I put my makeup onto myself and listening to music, but I can't because this is on YouTube. And also because I have social anxiety. Talking to people even when they're not in the room, it makes me super uncomfortable. But I'm trying to get around it, but it's not easy being so socially anxious and just, oh my gosh, social gatherings are the worst. Parties where you have to make small talk. So like right now I feel like I should be making small talk. Can't do it. Just impossible. So bear with me. Then taking NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in the color Gunmetal, the silver shade. Put that along the lash line. Song stuck in my head right now. Look What You Made Me Do by Taylor Swift. I just saw the music video like last week for the first time. I know I'm so behind the times. I thought it was hilarious. I love the end where she's arguing with herself. I think it's really funny. I mean, the song's pretty catchy too. Then taking a silver eyeliner from Ulta, a gel liner in Silver Dust. I like to mix different textures, so I just put that over the liquid. Some people would do the other way first, gel then liquid. Do whatever works for you. Taking just a basic black liner, just put that along the lower waterline. This one's from Sally Beauty Supply. Another thing is really hard to talk when you have a pencil in your eye. And it makes me kind of worried I'm gonna poke my eye. Which I've done before. It's not fun. But the worst part is mascara. Using this mascara from the Balm Mad Lash. It's a cute little one I got from Ipsy. It's hard to open. I'm also pretty weak. Be right back. I think this is a pretty cool mascara. I like to take off the excess on the edge so it doesn't get too clumpy. What I like about it is it's sort of like the shape of my eyelashes, so it gives really nice length and volume. I use Maybelline concealer, Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair. How's the battery life? Don't let me down now, Lucy. BTW, I need my camera, Lucy. I'm not just talking to some random person or invisible person in the room. Yeah, I need my camera because I'm not weird enough. So since we just spent a crap ton of time on the eyes... Crap ton? Classy, huh? It's an industry term. Anyway, since we took so much time working on the eyes, I'm just gonna quickly go through the rest of the face. NYX Wonder Stick. Hey, my doggy's outside. Techniques Sculpting Brush. This highlighter from trèStiQue, something I can't pronounce, but I'll write the name somewhere in here. There. Maybe. Yeah, we'll see. I cannot pronounce words. Like, I mean, I think this video is probably going to be like 10 hours long. It's taking me forever. If you're still watching at this point, good for you. You have patience. Because I'm really slow. So then, taking blush from L'Oreal True Match in the color Baby Blossom. On this brush by Sonia, Kashuk. Again, last names, me, just can't do it. It's the brand from Target. I'll put it here. It's a nice brush. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me. See, stuck in my head. Am I allowed to sing it? Or is it just you can't play their actual music? Because that's copyrighted. But then again, I read that Taylor Swift copyrighted a lot of sentences. So maybe I don't get sued. Don't write such catchy songs. And then why don't we take this This pigment Can't talk, can't say people's last names. It's amazing I can function in the world. This Pigment in the shade Vanilla from MAC on a, bear with me Lucy. They're in there. All my brushes are right in there. I can never find the one I want. Oh, there it is. Take it back. On a Real Techniques Words accent brush. So taking a pink liquid lip stain, this one's from e.l.f. in the shade Made in China. I will find the shade and put it in here. Gonna need a few coats. What I should have done is put concealer on my lips first. Clean things up a little more with MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade 110. So here we have our finished look. I hope you found this look interesting and fun. If you liked the video, please give it a like. If you didn't, look for something else. There's a vast amount of material on YouTube. I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for. And thanks for sticking with me to the end, because this is probably going to be a pretty long video. Thanks for listening to me talk, try and talk my way through my video. I appreciate it. Lucy thanks you as well. So thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Later days.